Welcome back, class, to Haitian Creole. This is lesson 10, Haitian Creole 101. So, you've learned a lot so far. A lot. And I guarantee you this, if you practice and master those lessons, you should be able to read, write, and start speaking Haitian Creole. Now, if you feel like you're not there yet, it's fine. Just go back to the lessons. Go back to the lessons and take your time. Take your time and start reading. As I told you before, get some Haitian songs, read the lyrics, and then you'll learn the songs. And then that will help you a lot. A lot. If there's any word in the lyrics you don't understand, you Google it. It's that easy. If you have any question for me too, reach out and I'll answer your questions. Now, lesson 10. We have a conversation here. Konvèsasyon. Konvèsasyon ti Bob ak ti Joe. Konvèsasyon ti Bob ak ti Joe. It's T Bob and T Joe having a conversation. T Bob ak ti Joe. And I'm gonna read for you. Comment ou ye ti Joe? Nou pose ti Bob. Sa kap fe? Ap kembe biti. Nap travay. Ki kote ou travay kounye ya? Même kote ya? Même kote ya? Se ou même? M'bap travay kounye ya. Comment on vive? Comment on prend soin famille? Bon Dieu a prend soin nou? M'bak a jwen job. Pase kote m'nan biro wa. Wap jwen ki choy. Now we're gonna do it again. Okay? Comment ou ye ti Joe? Nou pose ti Bob. Sa kap fe? Nap kembe biti. Nap travay. Ki kote ou travay kounye ya men? Même kote ya? Même kote ya we? Se ou men? M'bap travay kounye ya. Comment on vive? Comment on prend soin famille? Bon Dieu prend soin nou? M'bak a jwen job. Pase kote m'nan biro wa. Wap jwen ki choy. And that's the conversation right there. Alright? Go over it. Try to understand it. Try to understand everything. Before you even try to understand it, try to read it. Alright? And then you go back, you try to read and understand. Like I said, any word you don't understand, you Google it. Or you find your Haitian friend. Let's go to the next slide.